we are going to drop test the recently released Realme Narzo 10, Realme's new budget lineup, renamed as Narzo for some reason and sounds like a sub-brand. In fact, the Narzo 10 was actually first released in the Philippines as the Realme 6i back in March and later rebranded as the Realme Narzo 10. The free plastic case included inside the box seems to be of the same high quality as previous Realme devices. The case is good enough and should do a good job against accidental drop protection as well as scratches. We have already removed the plastic screen protector which was pre-applied by Realme on top of this unnamed tempered glass protection. Will the plastic body of the Narzo 10 be able to survive hard drops on marble? Starting the drop test, first drop bottom side facing down from pocket height. Everything is fine after the first drop. Moving on to the second drop from pocket height, top side facing the floor. The Realme 6i, also called as Narzo 10, has managed to handle the edge drops without suffering damage. Now for the third drop from pocket height with the quad camera unit side facing down. Until this point, Realme has managed to give us phones which could easily handle drops. But with the Narzo 10 or Realme 6i, it has failed to do so. The chrome finish at the top of the camera unit has suffered some damage. A small part of it has chipped off and seems to have come out of place. Next up, the final drop, display side facing down. The Narzo 10 has survived 4 drops and no shatter on the display glass protection as of now, but with some damage suffered to the camera unit. The Narzo 10 or Realme 6i has a plastic mid-frame with an unnamed tempered glass protection on its display, and we are testing out the drop impact resistance by dropping it from different angles, from pocket height and then from about 1.8 meters. Let's continue the drop test with the drop height increased, bottom side facing down. As suspected earlier, the quality of materials used by Realme on the Narzo 10 is not as good as devices of the regular series or even the C series. The plastic midframe at the bottom left has broken. This kind of crack has never been seen before on previous Realme devices and seems like a step backwards in material quality. Moving on, dropping the Narzo 10 top side facing down. This time, the plastic did not break like the bottom side, but the drop has created a small dent of sorts towards the right side, signifying a not so strong design and plastic quality. Next up, turning on video recording for the third high drop, the backside quad camera unit facing down. The camera unit hump has managed to protect the glass, but at the expense of the camera frame. The already damaged part from the first drop has completely come off with a part of the chrome finish missing. Now turning on video recording on the front selfie camera for the final high drop, display side facing down. The unnamed tempered glass protection on the display actually does a great job against hard drop impacts, with no glass shatter or spider cracks, and no damage to internals. But apart from that, the Realme Narzo 10 or Realme 6i fails a drop test in terms of the break in its plastic mid-frame, damage on the camera unit, and a dent. Realme can continue to cost cut or go back to its previous strong design, which has never failed till date.